Hi everyone, we're standing here in front of the Westlake Village Lake where the most beautiful homes are right here. There are a couple channels where people can go sailing. Both of my kids learned to sail here and I'll show you those sailboats in just a minute. But anyone who owns a home here, they have a little dock in front of their home and they can go to one of the many restaurants here, make an order, and then have the food in their boat. So they get to pick up the food, have some wine, dinner in their boat, or they can bring it back home, go for an evening sail, or we just saw some people fishing first thing in the morning. Westlake High School was ranked #1 in the Conejo Valley Unified School District and consistently rates as one of the top high schools in the country according to Newsweek. They have an amazing AP program, advanced anatomy, and many other levels of classes to meet the students' needs. They have a very competitive sports program with many teams and an amazing band program. Overall, the teachers are very caring and dedicated to the students of this beautiful campus. Oaks Christian is a college prep school that not only has a rigorous curriculum with the average class size of 17 students, 100% of students are admitted to college. The theater and dance programs are amazing. Their productions are works of art. In addition to an amazing art program, the sports program is outstanding with 26 sports offered. I would mention that their football program has won approximately 49 CIF championships, 5 CIF state titles, and 165 league championships.